Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to sign up for booking.com affiliate program. This video is a step-by-step guide. So here you have to just write here booking.com affiliate. You will get this official website. Now you can just click on here affiliate program, or you can also click on here the below link here. Now you have to register to become an affiliate member or partner. Now here you have to just wait as it will load here. Now you have to select, for example, if you're from Europe and if you're from one of this country, just go and click on register with CJ. Or if you are from this Asia or from Latin America or North or South America, just go and click on register with as well. Now here we are with the avian here, right? And here you will get all this information. Now here you have to select your region, right? So you can see here, this is for booking.com Brazil, for the North America, and for the North America, we have two options. So let's say I will just go with this one. So I will click on this here. Now they will give me each and every option that what's the benefit and this brief information. Now I will just go and click on sign up and join program, right? And once I go and click on here, you can see if you're Instagram influencer, you can just go and click on sign up here, or you can just go and click on join event. Now here you have to fill up all this information, right? And once you fill up this information, go to the promotional type, and here and you have to complete each and everything. And in the verification process, they will verify that whether all the information you have added is authentic or not. So once you've added each and every information, then it's done. So this is how you can just get into this booking.com affiliate program. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.